The holidays are almost here, and Christmas 2024 is bringing fresh, exciting trends that will redefine how we decorate and celebrate. From nostalgic throwbacks to cutting-edge designs, this year is all about merging creativity with tradition to craft unique, festive spaces. Let's dive into 4 standout trends for Christmas 2024, exploring innovative ideas that will inspire you to transform your home into a holiday masterpiece. Sustainability is leading the charge in 2024, with eco-friendly decorations becoming a cornerstone of holiday celebrations. This year, the focus is on reducing waste while creating beauty that lasts. Start with ornaments crafted from biodegradable materials like wood, clay, or paper. Recycled glass baubles and hand-painted ceramics not only look stunning but also minimize environmental impact. Instead of traditional plastic garlands, consider using live greenery like eucalyptus, pine, or ivy. These natural elements add a fresh, aromatic touch to your home while staying compostable after the season ends. For an extra personal touch, try creating your own garlands from dried fruits, cinnamon sticks, or even colorful fabric scraps. Gift wrapping has also gone green, with craft paper and reusable fabrics like furoshiki leading the way. Adding sprigs of rosemary, twigs, or pine cones to your wrapping makes each gift feel like a little work of art. Lighting plays a significant role in sustainable Christmas decor. Energy-efficient LED lights, solar-powered strings for outdoor spaces, and even candlelit setups create a warm glow while reducing your energy footprint. DIY lighting fixtures, like mason jars filled with fairy lights, blend rustic charm with eco-conscious choices. This trend isn't just about materials, it's about mindset. Celebrate a greener Christmas by choosing decorations that are meaningful, reusable, and sustainable, proving that a festive season can also be an environmentally responsible one. If these 2024 Christmas trends gave you some festive inspiration, give this video a like and share it with friends who are ready to make their holiday decor sparkle this year. For those who love bold statements, 2024's maximalist trend is a feast for the senses. The traditional palette of red, green, and gold has expanded to include vibrant hues like neon pink, turquoise, and even metallic purples. This explosion of color transforms any space into a lively celebration of joy. Christmas trees are becoming creative canvases, adorned with oversized ornaments, layered garlands, and multicolored lights. Some decorators are even opting for non-traditional tree colors, such as bright white, black, or shimmering metallics, to add a dramatic flair. Layering is the hallmark of this trend. Think velvet ribbons cascading down the tree, combined with playful ornaments like candy canes, plush figures, and glitter-coated baubles. Wall decor, table settings, and mantels are also embracing the layered look, combining textures like faux fur, sequins, and shiny metallics to create depth and visual interest. Maximalist design extends to the dining room, with tablescapes featuring bold linens, mismatched plates, and colorful glassware. Statement pieces like oversized nutcrackers, glittering wreaths, and whimsical figurines ensure that every corner of your home feels festive and alive. This trend invites you to be fearless and have fun, making Christmas a season of self-expression and unrestrained creativity. Which trend are you most excited to try this Christmas? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you plan to decorate this holiday season. For those who find joy in tradition, the nostalgic revival trend is a comforting embrace of Christmas past. Vintage-inspired decor is making a major comeback in 2024, with designs that draw from the 1940s to 1970s. Tinsel-covered trees are a must-have, bringing back the shimmering charm of mid-century holiday celebrations. Mercury glass ornaments, often featuring intricate patterns and jewel tones, add a sophisticated sparkle to any setup. Glass figurines shaped like snowmen, reindeer, and Santa Claus offer a playful nod to classic designs. Linens, stockings, and tree skirts are also joining the retro revival, often showcasing bold prints like gingham, tartan, and vintage floral patterns. Ceramic Christmas villages, complete with tiny lights, evoke a sense of wonder and nostalgia. To truly capture the vintage vibe, incorporate family heirlooms or thrifted treasures into your decor. These items carry stories and memories, adding depth and emotion to your holiday spaces. Mixing these elements with modern accents creates a timeless aesthetic that feels both fresh and familiar. Whether you're embracing your own family traditions or creating new ones inspired by the past, this trend is about honoring the warmth and simplicity of Christmases long ago. Stay ahead of the holiday curve by subscribing and hitting the bell icon for more trend updates, decor ideas, and festive inspiration. For those who love modern flair, 2024's high-tech holiday decor is an exciting frontier. Smart lighting systems are taking center stage, offering endless customization. Imagine setting up lights that change color with your music or creating dazzling patterns that dance across your walls and ceilings. Projection mapping is also a game changer this year. Outdoor displays can turn your house into a digital winter wonderland, featuring animated snowfalls, festive characters, or even personalized holiday messages. Indoors, virtual displays allow you to showcase moving holiday scenes on blank walls or ceilings. Interactive elements are another highlight. Augmented reality, AR, is being incorporated into ornaments and decorations, creating immersive experiences for family and guests. Imagine pointing your phone at an ornament and seeing a 3D snow globe come to life or a digital Santa reading a personalized message. For the tech-savvy host, smart speakers and voice-controlled systems can bring convenience and creativity to holiday entertaining. Program playlists, control lighting, or even schedule your animated displays, all with a simple voice command. High-tech innovations are proving that the future of Christmas decor is as exciting as it is festive, offering new ways to bring the holiday spirit into the digital age. Check out our Holiday Trends playlist for even more exciting ideas to keep your decor fresh and stylish this Christmas season. As we prepare for Christmas 2024, there's a certain magic in the air that we can all feel. It's a time for renewal, for setting aside the challenges of the year and embracing what the holiday season has to offer. More than just decorations, Christmas brings an opportunity for reflection, for sharing joy, and for creating lasting memories. The decorations we choose aren't just about aesthetics, they're symbols of the values, traditions, and hopes we carry with us. It's an invitation to express who we are, what we cherish, and the love we wish to share with those who matter most. The beauty of Christmas decor is that it's incredibly personal. Some find joy in traditional themes, bringing vintage ornaments out year after year. Others may be drawn to more contemporary or trendy elements, sleek and modern designs that blend well with the rest of the home. And of course, there are those who like to mix the old with the new, creating unique and unexpected holiday arrangements that reflect their individual style. Christmas decor, after all, should feel like an extension of who you are and the story you wish to tell. This season, we're seeing a blend of different styles and textures that come together to create a truly eclectic and exciting atmosphere. From warm and cozy cottage-inspired looks to bold, futuristic designs, the possibilities are endless. It's not just about what looks good, it's about what makes you feel good. Want to embrace the latest trends in your home? Head to the description for links to all the featured decorations, so you can bring these 2024 Christmas trends to life. Every element of your decor can spark joy, evoke cherished memories, and contribute to the overall ambience of the season. There's something undeniably comforting about wrapping the house in holiday cheer. Whether it's the soft glow of fairy lights, the twinkle of a beautifully decorated tree, or the scent of freshly baked cookies wafting through the air, the physical environment we create plays a major role in our holiday experience. This year, it's about creating spaces that evoke warmth and connection, places where friends and family gather, share stories, and build memories. Christmas decor also invites us to slow down and be mindful. In a world that often moves too fast, the simple act of decorating offers a chance to pause, reflect, and appreciate the beauty in our surroundings. It encourages us to step away from the stresses of everyday life and immerse ourselves in the joy of the season. Whether it's putting up your tree, arranging your mantel, or hanging a wreath on your front door, these small rituals become a meditation, a way to ground ourselves in the present moment. As you begin to bring your holiday vision to life, take time to savor each moment. The process of setting up your decor is an opportunity to embrace creativity and express your style in new ways.